In this lesson, we're going to multiply a binomial with a trinomial. In our FOIL box lesson, I had you put the first one across the top. I'm going to put it down the side this time because I have 3 terms here, and I would just like to save some space. As long as you have a box for each one, it doesn't matter if they go across the top or on the side. So I'm going to put this on the side. So the x and the plus 2, I put on the side. And across the top, I have x squared plus 2x plus 3. Multiplying this out, x times x squared is x cubed. X times 2x is 2x squared, and x times 3 is 3x. My next line, 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 2x is 4x, and 2 times 3 is plus 6. My like terms are on the diagonal here. There's only one term with a 3 in the exponent, so I'll put x cubed first. 2x squared plus 2x squared is 4x squared. 4x plus 3x is 7x, and then I have plus 6. Again, I'm going to put my 2 terms on the side just because if I have more terms, I like to have it across the top so I can save some paper. X times x squared is x cubed. X times minus 4x is negative 4x squared. X times 7 is plus 7x. My next row, negative 1 times x squared is just negative x squared. Negative 1 times negative 4x is plus 4x. If you want to put the 1 on that one, you can. Negative 1 times 7 is negative 7. Combining my like terms, I have x cubed. Negative 1x squared and negative 4x squared. When I combine those, I get negative 5x squared. 4x and 7x give me plus 11x. And minus 7. Let's go ahead and make a box for number 3. So on this one, I'm going to, again, just put it down on the side, and then I'll put the 3 across the top. So 2x minus 3 on the side, x squared plus 5x minus 4 across the top. Multiplying this out, that's going to be 2x cubed. 2x times 5x gives you 10x squared. And then 2x times minus 4 is negative 8x. On my next line, negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times 5x is negative 15x. And negative 3 times negative 4 gives me plus 12. Again, my like terms are on the diagonal. I only have one term with a third power, so 2x cubed. There's nothing to combine with that one. Negative 3x squared and plus 10x squared give you 7x squared. Negative 15 and negative 8 give you negative 23x. And then my number plus 12. Number 4, I want to make my box again. I'm going to put my one with 3 terms across the top. And the 2 terms on the side. Multiplying this out, I'll get x to the third. X times minus 3x gives me negative 3x squared. X times 9 gives me plus 9x. 3 times x squared is plus 3x squared. 3 times negative 3x is negative 9x. And then 3 times 9 is 27. My like terms are on the diagonal this time still. I only have one term with an x cubed. Look what happens though here with the x squareds. I have a positive 3x squared and a negative 3x squared. Those are opposites, so they add to 0, so I have no x squareds. You can either write plus 0x squared, or I just leave it out. Negative 9x and plus 9x also cancel out. So I could write 0x, but I'm just going to leave it off because 0 times x is 0. Adding 0 doesn't change anything. And then plus 27. Yeah, 2 more problems. I've got a couple from geometry. If I want to find the area of this rectangle, I'm going to go ahead and I'll even use this. I've got the 5x plus 10, and I'm going to make my boxes for that. And then the 3x and the minus 1. This box is 15x squared. The next box is plus 30x. Next row, negative 1 times 5x is negative 5x. And then this next one is minus 10. Combine your like terms, they're on this diagonal. And your answer for this is 15x squared plus 25x minus 10. You could just use FOIL if you want to multiply those as well. The box is just an organized way to do FOIL. The area of a square, I'm going to go ahead and make my box here. So the square has sides that are the same, so this other side is also 3x plus 2. And the first box, 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 2 is plus 6x. 2 times 3x is plus 6x. And 2 times 2 is plus 4. I can combine my like terms. And this final answer is 9x squared plus 12x plus